In this table, the grant recipient must provide a breakdown of the properties in their batch. Properties should be broken down into groupings of ownership type, property type, and wall type. The grant recipient then needs to specify the number of homes for each grouping, and the number of homes with fossil fuel as their main fuel source for each grouping. So for example, in this table there are owner-occupied flats, 5 of which have cavity walls, and 1 of which has solid walls. Of the 5 with cavity walls, 3 have fossil fuel heating systems. To add to this table, click the Add button in the bottom left corner, and then select the appropriate items from the drop-down. For ownership types, there are 3 possible types, which are owner-occupied, private rental, and social housing. For property type, there are end terrace, /detached, /semi-detached. There are flats, mid-terraces, and park homes as potential options. There are only 2 wall types, which are cavity and solid. And finally, the number of homes that meet the selected criteria must be included in the number of homes column, and the number of homes that have fossil fuel heating systems included in the next column. The groupings entered in this table generate a home type. This is used to calculate the funding available for each home type, which is the different ownership, property, and wall type combinations. The total number of homes in the funding table should be equal to or greater than the total number of homes in the property types table, as each home in the batch property table is eligible for funding from one or both grant types. The number of homes is also used to validate whether park homes and social homes are within their policy thresholds. The number of park and social homes cannot exceed 10% of the number of homes allocated for the first financial year, and in the second financial year, they cannot exceed 10% of the number of homes allocated for the entire project. In the second financial year, grant recipients can retrofit any leftover social homes or park homes from the first financial year, so long as the number of each of these is equal to or less than 10% of the total homes in the entire project. So for example, in a project of 200 homes, with 100 homes allocated for each financial year, then they could retrofit a maximum of 20 social homes and 20 park homes over the whole project. This can be done by retrofitting 10 park homes in year 1 and a further 10 in year 2. They could also retrofit, say, only 6 homes in the first year and 14 homes in the second year, using the 4 left over from the first financial year.